Hello and welcome to my first what's in my bag video. You know what? I'm very happy that this trend is coming back because when I was like 14, this trend was really big and I was like, if I'm gonna be a YouTuber one day, I'm gonna do this. And now it's coming back, so I'm gonna be doing this. I got a new bag the other day, so I want to do a what's in my bag for my current bag and then transfer everything into my new bag. So let's get started. So starting off with the bag that I have, this is a Gorilla Kuma and Charo Kuma collaboration bag, which was for 2022's December's collection. My boyfriend got this for me for Christmas. I was so happy with it. And I've been using it basically all year. And I'm a purse girly. I don't like shoes, I like purses. So I feel like it was about time I got a new one because this one doesn't have a lot of pockets. It's just like one open tote bag, which I do like, but it's time for something new, right? So the bag comes with embroidery on the top here, and it has a little scarf thing with Charo Kuma, Gorilla Kuma, and some cherries on it. And then I added it's a jean chain. Like you put those on your pants to decorate it and has butterflies on it. It's kind of flimsy, but if I wear it on my shoulders, it kind of hangs nicely. And I also added a phone charm with beads on it, which was from, I think, Primark. Now let's get in what's inside. So starting off, I'm just gonna take out the big things. I have my Gorilla Kuma. Can you tell I like Gorilla Kuma? I don't know. I have an Instagram account, I don't know if you know, it's at Bear Buttocks, and I take the bear with me most of the time, not always, but he's in there now. We take pictures out his post because you never know when a good photo op comes by. Like, I don't know if he's gonna fit in the new bag, well, we'll see. Then I have my pom pom pouring water bottle. I got this at the convention. I don't know if you've seen that video, but I am pretty upset because this was like 15 euros or 20, and I only used it for like a couple of months now, and like every time I wash it, it just scratches off. Like you cannot. It just looks so, I don't know. I wish it was better quality, you know? Then we have my e-reader. I'm currently reading the Adeline book that everyone was talking about because it finally got translated to Dutch. And this is currently what the bag still looks like. But it is kind of wearing a little bit, but it's still fine. Next up, we have my wallet. I kind of have two, but this is like the main wallet. So this is one has cats on it. And then on the back, I have a Boba Cat sticker that was previously on my e-reader, but I just stuck it on here. I don't know. I just got the basic things. I got a lot of Boba passes inside as well. And then of course my lovely boyfriend is always there. Ramatra, we love you. It's my wallet. Then my second wallet is like where I keep my debit card because that's the one I use the most. I don't want to get the whole wallet out, so I just have this one. And this is from the Baby Gorilla Kuma collection. And this is honestly one of my favorite Kuma collections ever, so I'm glad I have it because it's just so cute. Then I have a bunch of papers that I needed to clean out, so it's whatever, and a face mask because I got nose surgery and I had to hide my nose because I felt like ugly, so I just wore a mask to hide it. And I also still have some chocolate from the airport. And then last but not least, we have my headphones. These are from Move It. I wouldn't recommend it if you got small ears because they hurt and they're too big, even with the smaller things in it. And I have a pink hair clip because I cannot go without. And then lastly, we have this pouch that I have that was from Primark for the Little Mermaid live action. And in there, I kind of have only two things. I absolutely recommend this one. My favorite lip balm, the Hardcore from Essence. This has like such light color. It's not lipstick, so it doesn't like smear all over the place, so you don't have to worry about that, but it does make your lips like super red. This is literally the best lip oil I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot of them at this point, so get your hands on these two. And that was already my full bag, so let's move on to opening my new purse. I'm so excited! So I got influenced on TikTok by this girl that has like the cutest bags, and I wanted one too. It's the Kipling one, the Gabbie one in size S, and in the shade pink. Unfortunately, they didn't have a white one. The girl in the video, she had black, which I do like, but black literally matches nothing that I have, so I was kind of debating what to do. Let's do a little purse tour here. Oh, it's actually the lavender. It's not even, I think they advertised it on Amazon as pink. So it was kind of pricey, but it's supposed to last like forever, so that's what I got it for. And it also comes with the iconic monkey, but it comes with like a weird one. This is not it. I'm gonna have to take that off. So we have a pretty big pocket in the front that has two zippers, so you can fit quite a lot in here. And then of course two at the side. Let me zoom out, maybe this angle's a little bit better. There's two on the side, there's one in the back here for like your passport or something you want to keep secure. This one is not that deep. And then for the main pocket, dude, this bag is so spacious. We have one in the front here for a pen and a little notebook or a lip gloss if you want to call it. And then this side we also have another zipper. It's pretty standard for most purses, but oh my god, it's so cute! Now let's put everything in. So starting off with my e-reader, I'm gonna put this one in the front. And both of my wallets gonna go in the main compartment. I also got a few organization pockets for inside of the purse, so hopefully they will come in before I upload this video. And then we can even make it more organized. For now, let's put the water bottle here, put the bear in there. Then we have our lippies, which gonna go here in the side. I feel like my headphones would work well in the front pocket here. And then my hair clip can go on the other side. I'm gonna leave the rest out for now, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. And there's so many places to customize it, so you can put pins and patches. I'm pretty sure I got a patch for the front here. You can have here a special place for keychains, and literally every little zipper has a tag, so you can put another keychain on there. Let's add these for now because these are some of my favorite keychains, and we'll just leave the monkey on. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay, so you can wear it in two ways. We have just the regular, this is how it came, and you can put it over the shoulder. It's so cute. Look at it. But like, I love keychain noises. Dude, can you? Oh my god. I thought I wouldn't like the color, but this shade is so nice. It's definitely a different kind of pink compared to the old one, but oh, this is such a vibe. Okay, we're gonna be back one more time to show off the new items that I got, and then the bag's finished. It's been about a week or two now, and I've been using the bag, and the package just came in. I'm so excited to open everything. So let's get into it. Yeah, I've been using the bag, and I really enjoyed it. It has a lot of compartments, which is really nice, but I do notice even though I don't have that many things inside, there is still too much space in the middle pocket, so I'm glad I'm getting some extra things because it's still a little bit messy. So first up, we have this Snoopy emblem thingy. Something like that would be so cute, wouldn't it? I also got some Ninja Miffy ones, but it's like off-white. It's like too bright of a white. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it or if I'm gonna do it, but that was the plan at least. I do really think it's really cute right there. And then since this is Snoopy themed haul, I also got 2 packs of stickers because I have some stuff in the kitchen that I want to be Snoopy themed, so I can just put stickers on instead of buying Snoopy themed ones. They're all with like facial expressions and stuff, but it's so cute. I will try to have links down below, but I don't know if I can find everything again. For our other stuff, I have a Snoopy phone case. Look how cute! I currently have one with flowers and stuff on it, but I've been using it for such a long time and I really wanted a different one for a bit. So it just has Snoopy on it. Moving on, we have a Snoopy keychain. Most of it is from the same store that all sells Snoopy stuff, so it's super high quality because I guess they specialize in it. Look at that, it even has an official Snoopy tag. This is definitely going on my new bag. Then I have this pouch. Ooh, it even comes in a special protective bag. This was like 2 covers so that you can store a lot of things in here, and then Snoopy on the back. So the front has a big pocket, then here you have a smaller pocket that goes down here, 3 small ones here, and then another one 2 sides where you can slide things in, and this one has a mesh. And then you can also open this one. Like it's a bag in a bag, and I really like that because there's so much in my bag. So we're gonna use this in a minute. Then I also got this one, which is a little bit less useful, but I thought it was just so cute. So the ears are like super soft, feels like fuzzy socks, and it's just one of those drawstrings bags. I have a few from like Rilakkuma and Sanrio, but I also have a Snoopy one now. Really cute. And then last but not least, I have this reusable bag. I don't think I want to unfold right now, but it's pretty big. It's one of those grocery bags because sometimes I go shopping and then you don't want to be buying bags. Well, you don't need to, right? So a few things that got extra last time. Everything in my middle compartment I hadn't moved over yet was, where's my Miffy mints? I got these at the Schiphol airport. Urgency cookie hand wash. I forgot I had this, and then the last few times I've been looking on it, but we need to decorate it. This needs to be also themed. See, now it's officially licensed Snoopy buttocks, if you will. Hand soap. Great. And then I have also my 2 tangles with me. This is an official and this is a fake one I just recently got. If you have anxiety, please get yourself one of these. I have really bad stress like in public when it's too busy, and these things are amazing, so I always keep them in my purse, but I can't really figure out which one I like more. That's why I have 2 of them. And then of course some loose receipts and hair ties and dirty ass. So I'm gonna put my wallets back because those are already their own thing, and then definitely gonna put my hand soap in one compartment, hair ties and stuff in the other one, and then the front pocket here can keep my emergency snackies. I'll just keep the mints out for now. It matches like perfectly though, I really like that. And then the tangles just go in because they need to be easy access. Same goes for the mint. Of course, my bag also goes in there. Well, actually, let's put them in the back pocket. And there we go. And then lastly, I'm adding my Snoopy here. I don't know if I think this is too much keychain. I really enjoy these, but it's kind of noisy, isn't it? I don't know what I expected from a metal one. I still really enjoy this as much as I did on the first day. It is very high quality. It's very pretty. It's definitely one of my favorites. And if you are debating to get it, I would say do it. Or if you're looking for a bag with lots of compartments, definitely worth it. But do get an organizer for inside because this is like working way better for me than probably just tossing everything in. And I forgot to show, if you wear it crossbody, this is what it will look like. And for the patches, I think I'm just gonna put the Miffy one on there, but I'm so indecisive because once it's on, I think. So maybe I can do like a non-permanent way. I'll see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!